Hello everybody, today we're playing StarCraft 2, Wings of Liberty campaign. You know how it is. There will be a sponsor today. We will be sponsored by Schmido, so I have to say, this video is sponsored by Schmido. It's a requirement. Yeah. Anyways, let's just, jump
Sir,
into it.
I received an
I'm not
encrypted.
gonna listen to these guys. And maybe today we're gonna do like a little bit maybe like one mission. 'Cause I think I already watched the news. Spartan what? Oh yes, I
Lots of
remember.
folks ready to fight
I remember,
for
I
the right
remember.
price.
Spartan Company. Okay, but cause I did like a lot of little guys. Can I upgrade these guys? Kinda just wanna build these guys. Vehicles, this is not a vehicle. Okay, Giga anti-air. This dude. Dude. This unit seems pretty good, no? Okay, first I'll buy the no, not here, here.
You
I'll
came to
buy
the right place.
this. Yeah. And then let's go to the laboratory. Let's see what's popping over here. Research console, yep. Okay, did I get any new oh, I did. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, let's see this. Ultra capacitors. Oh my god, can you shut up? Can you shut up? Can you shut up? Stop. Oh my god, whatever. This seems pretty good. And what is this? Okay, so do I want more attack speed from my more more attack speed or more armor? Do I want more attack speed or more armor? I like attack speed. I like attack speed. Here, I don't think I'll ever do a firebat mission, by the way. I think I lied to you. Yeah, sure. That seems like a pretty good upgrade, right? Yeah, let's just see what's poppin'. I don't want to do this mission.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage
This
operation on
mission.
Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal.
Maybe I should do this mission. Nah, let's do this mission.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna make a thing explaining the mission. I'm gonna explain it really quickly. So, this mission, there's trains that come. Like there's gonna be a path here, and then another path here, and then I have to kill the trains. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty basic. It's not hard to understand. Yeah.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged
Low
yet.
key.
Diamondbacks.
Wait, yes,
I
I
didn't think you made
should.
it past prototype.
Right,
They're
I should do
railguns.
this.
Great for stopping those trains.
So
No
then,
pun
yes.
intended.
Okay.
I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may
Okay,
be
I'll
other
try to
vehicles
build
around
like
we can
a
commandeer.
Goliath
We should keep our eyes
diamond
open.
back thing. I don't know. I don't know, man. That's a lot of resources, though.
Add-on complete.
Back. I don't know. How much supply do I have? More than enough.
Want some?
What the fuck
You
is...
gonna give me
Kill that! Yeah, we're hunting animals, man.
SCV ready.
That's right.
What needs killing? Victory is ours.
Victory is ours.
Of course.
Oh my god, there's research also here. Great.
I like it. How devious. Excellent.
Okay, I haven't played StarCraft in a while, so I might just lose this.
My pleasure.
But we'll see.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Yo, there's a base there. That's pretty good.
I like it.
Yeah,
Victory
so
is
now I
ours.
have to not let the train like go. I mean, let's see if there's a base here. Oh my
How
god, there is.
devious. My
I
pleasure.
will not push the
Excellent.
train.
SCV ready.
I mean,
Of course.
I don't
How
know, maybe.
devious.
By the numbers, boys.
Is there like people with this? Nope. Okay, nice.
What's on your mind?
This better be good.
Go on. My pleasure. Excellent. I'm waiting. At the ready.
SCV ready.
What's the plan? I like it. Go on. On the move.
Okay.
What's the
SCV
plan?
ready.
So these units just attack while moving. That's like their main
Additional
thing.
supply
What?
depots required.
Additional supply repos. I hate that. No, no. Look at all the resources I have and I'm not utilizing. Okay, no, no, no. I'm gonna reset this. They were probably gonna do only one mission. I gotta start focusing in the game. Restart mission. Restart mission. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm locked in. I'm locked in now. But I think you guys understand the premise of
Go
this mission.
ahead. This better be. Been waiting on you.
Yeah. Okay. I should look at my supply.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
What needs killing?
Yes, sir. Who wants some?
Go on. What's the
SCV
plan?
ready.
On the move. I'm waiting.
What's going on? SCV ready. Ah! You scared me. Bad news.
Almost forgot there. Let's build two of them.
What's on your mind?
SCV ready.
Do this here. Lift off like here-ish.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest. Insufficient Vespine
Dude, they
gas.
cost so much gas. It's kind of crazy, you know.
SCV
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Like,
in the rear with the gear.
I feel like I have to do something like that, no?
Huh?
Got another guy here on gas already. It's kind of crazy. Maybe I should build some Goliaths. But if I remember correctly, because I remember this mission very well, there there is like no air.
I like it.
I think it's only ground. Pretty sure. Not fully, but pretty sure. You know.
Go on. Victory is ours. How devious.
SCV ready.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Okay, it's time for me to build a second factory.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap
I guess
payload
I
to
should
build more
also build
units.
upgrades and then
We obviously won't
V.
find many natural mineral fields here,
Wait,
so we should
no,
make the
don't
most of what we can salvage from the trains.
lift off.
What needs killing?
FU
What's going on?
VA.
We hear you.
You. Hold on, my mind's not there.
What's the plan? On the move.
train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
What needs killing?
SCV ready.
No, I can't build
How
bunkers
devious.
on these things.
Of course.
Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh, no, no, no,
Victory
no.
is ours. Excellent.
Okay, so they started sending
SCV
escorts,
ready.
yeah?
My pleasure. I like it.
Go, go, go! I can't build here. Big job.
Not enough minerals required. Mineral field depleted.
Excellent. Of course. On the move. I like it. How devious. What needs
Insufficient
killing?
S4 gas.
Victory is ours. My pleasure.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
SCV ready.
Get me out of here. At the ready.
Who wants some?
What's the plan? Of course.
SCV ready.
I'll pump out some Goliaths. Maybe I need that anti-air, you know. No, you can never be too sure.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
Yes.
Insufficient.
What needs
S4
killing?
gas.
Insufficient supply, my guy.
SCV ready. Yep. Bad news.
Go on. Excellent. What's on? Go on. I like it. Crush them. My pleasure.
Additional supply depots.
On the move. Of course. Excellent.
Okay, I
like
should
it.
locate the diamond
How
gas.
devious.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
Victory is ours.
I'm gonna try to look around for the.
Oh, it's on.
Additional supply depots required.
Yeah,
Job, huh?
you're right.
In the rear with the gear.
Yo, mining out here though. That's kind of
What's
bad.
on your mind? Of course.
Where is the last research? Is what I'm at.
Excellent. I like it. How devious. On the move. My pleasure. Victory is ours.
Additional upgrade complete.
My pleasure.
Huh? What's going on? Bad news?
Get me out of here.
Yeah.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
On the move. How devious.
So where is this final research?
Of course.
I don't understand.
Victory is
Oh.
ours.
Okay.
What needs killing?
Looks like we found
Hey,
all the Confederate
that's
Diamondbacks, sir.
pretty good.
This
Using
should
the
really
high
help out
ground,
against
yeah.
the trains.
Mineral field depleted.
Get me out of here.
Mineral field depleted.
You're the big job, huh? Ah!
Go on. On the move. Of course.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Victory is out.
Yeah, that's kind of much there.
What's on your mind? I like it. On the move. My pleasure. What needs killing?
So where's the final research? I don't.
Mineral
It's
field
not down
depleted.
there.
Victory is ours.
Mineral field depleted.
How devious. Excellent.
Mineral field depleted.
Run!
I like it. On the move. ours. My pleasure. Huh? I'm waiting. Ah! You scared me! What's on your mind?
Okay.
Victory is ours. How devious.
I already went over there, right?
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Excellent. I like it. What needs killing? On the move. Of course. At the ready. My pleasure. I like it. What needs killing? My pleasure.
Where is the final research?
Victory is ours. On the move. How devious.
Oh.
Victory is ours. I'm waiting. Excellent.
This better be good.
Go on. How devious. What needs killing? I like it. Excellent. On the move. My pleasure. What's the plan? What's on your mind? Of course. Victory is ours. I like it. Huh? Bad news? Yo! What needs killing?
So where is the final research? I do not understand.
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
My pleasure.
Oh, that's pretty bad.
I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow.
Needs killing.
You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
Enough minerals.
What's the plan? Victory is ours.
I don't think I'll be able to catch that one. Low key. Dude. Yeah. No. Nope.
What's going on?
Not enough minerals.
Oh, not enough minerals. Wow.
What
That's
needs killing?
that's kind of crazy, no?
In
Damn.
the rear with the gear.
Yeah, I have to. I have to let that one go. Man.
Yep.
Sir, one of the trains got through.
Yeah.
We can't let too many get past us or we'll miss the cargo
That's where
we're
the
looking for.
research is. Okay, nice. Okay, that's good. I should be talking more, right? Commentary. I mean, I feel like right now I'm pretty good. Yeah, I missed one, but like to be honest, I'm so scared of these guys. And you saw
Base is
what?
under attack.
What?
Have to
Don't,
get me out of here.
don't do that. Don't do this to me, man. Don't. Stop.
Upgrade complete.
Stop.
What? My pleasure.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Ours. What?
I feel like I might lose this.
Not enough minerals.
Yeah, cause I didn't get the fucking base early enough, man. Shit.
What's going on? Big job,
If I lose this, I will be very sad.
I like it. My pleasure.
Oh my god, I'm losing this mission.
Excellent.
No.
Of course.
No.
How devious.
Okay. Okay. Well,
On the
shit.
move.
Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. Okay. I understand. I have to, at the start, I have to focus more on economy. I just have to get the second base, because otherwise I just run out of materials. God damn it.
By the numbers, boys. Why not?
SCV ready.
Holy man.
Outstanding.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
SCV ready. What's going on?
Maybe I should go just a big bio army.
Ready. My pleasure. I like it. How devious. Victory is ours. SCV ready. Gotcha. Of course. SCV ready. On the move. Go on. Excellent. How devious. SCV ready.
Not enough minerals. A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
What's on your mind? My pleasure. I'm waiting. SCV ready. I like it. What's the plan? SCV ready.
Fire on the move, yeah.
What needs
Insufficient
killing?
Vespine gas.
Get
Victory
that.
is ours.
Yes, I should go up there, right?
How devious.
Like, if you know where all of the pick-upables are, I feel like every mission becomes way easier, no? You land here.
SCV ready.
You also go over here.
Go on. Of course.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
You build one now. To build a second one.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
Yeah.
We obviously won't find many natural mineral fields here, so we should make the most of what we can salvage from the trains.
Is ours.
I don't know why he says
What's on your
obviously.
mind? I'm waiting. My pleasure. On the
Okay.
move. Of course.
Nice.
What? What needs killing? What's the plan?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
Vespine gas.
What's on your
What the hell?
SCV ready.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
What?
Mineral field depleted.
What needs killing? SCV ready. On the move. I like it. Of course. Victory is ours.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
SCV ready. How devious. I like it. Get me out of here. Excellent. My pleasure. Victory is SCV ours. Ready.
Insufficient Vespine gas. Add-on complete.
Huh? Ah! You scared me!
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. Better
Which?
be ready.
Which base?
Big job, huh?
Which base?
Base is under attack.
This base.
What's on your mind?
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply depots required. A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
What's going on? Go ahead.
Add-on complete.
Uh-huh.
Gangway, coming through. Sure. You want a piece of me, boy?
Ah! You scared me! I can't... SCV ready. Railguns at the
Who
ready.
wants some?
Of course.
This better be good.
Excellent.
Gangway, coming through.
On the move.
Go, go, go!
How deep? SCV ready.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
Ah! You scared me! Go ahead. SCV ready. What? I'm waiting. What needs killing? Yeah, whatever.
Additional supply depots required.
Victory is ours. Excellent.
Mineral field depleted.
What's going on? Get me out of here. What's on your mind? Of course.
Go, go, go!
Mineral field depleted.
My pleasure.
Goliath online.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
What?
Additional supply. Mineral field depleted.
Go ahead. Big job, huh?
Mineral field depleted.
SCV ready. Yep. Go on. On the move. SCV ready. Huh? At the ready. What needs killing? SCV ready. Excellent. My pleasure. Go on. I'm waiting. SCV.
Add-on complete.
Victory is ours. Huh. Of course. I like it. SCV ready. On the move.
Goliath online.
Excellent. At the ready. Victory is
Base
ours.
is under attack.
Ooh.
How devious.
We could use some help here. Roger that.
What get me out of
Mineral
here?
field depleted.
I like it. Of course.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest. Our SCVs are under attack.
What needs killing? What's on your mind?
Mineral field depleted.
Bad news? Go ahead. Big job, huh? At the ready. Excellent. On the move. Ah! What's the plan? Go on.
Goliath online.
Who wants some?
What needs killing? How devious.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
My pleasure.
Dude, do I need to
Mineral
just go
field
bio
depleted.
here?
Armed and ready.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Cause like, what the fuck?
Victory is ours. Of course. Excellent.
Like, I actually just don't understand what I'm doing wrong.
I like it. How devious.
Oh my god!
Go, go, go!
How devious.
What am I supposed to do? Okay, you know what? Maybe I'm not ready for this mission. Abort mission. Oh my god. I am I just bad? I don't understand. No, no, no. I'm doing the other mission. This one. This one's way easier. I don't care. I don't care. Holy moly. Oh my god, man. Anyways, the sponsor starts now. This video is sponsored by Schmido, the one and only store that solves all of your problems. Hate your job? Just buy the rabbit pill, only in Schmido. It will make you get rid of your boss and your annoying coworkers. Hate your kids? Just buy the Kid Remover 9000, only in Schmido. It's just a knife, but it has cool and neat lights. Whoa, just look at that thing go wild on your kids. Hate how you're always so hungry. Well, worry no more with the why are you here? You aren't supposed to be here. Run, run, run. Hide, hide, hide. Whoa, ain't that thing just crazy? So just remember, go to Schmido and buy yourself a nice espresso. Hell yeah! Welcome back, guys. I hope you had fun with that sponsor. It's time to game. I guess you saw a little preview of that mission, right? I guess, I don't know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so this mission, there's a bunch of buildings on the map that I have to destroy, and they spawn zombies overnight, and yeah, don't worry about it. Reapers are pretty good at
All right, boys. We
destroying
can't risk the
buildings.
contagion spreading to this camp. I want a perimeter set and some bunkers in place now.
Oh yeah.
Going sweet on that doctor lady, Jimmy. Can't see why else we'd keep fighting for these damn dirt farmers.
Ooh,
Add-on complete.
called out, low key.
Nightfall in 30 seconds. I would like, can you start getting gas, Add-on
please?
complete.
It is night time.
Now we gotta hold out till sunrise. Brace yourselves. This could get ugly.
Been waiting on you.
Is it critical? Ooh, sounds serious.
Ready to front. Bad news.
That's what my doctor told me when I had my. Never mind.
In the rear with the gear.
Is it critical? Oh, it looks serious. I know it looks serious. Now what can I do about it?
Must be an emergency.
It is an emergency, man, but you're not gonna help me out.
You rang?
Yeah, so there's just a bunch of zombies that come at night. And you have to defend, and that's pretty much like during the
Base
nighttime.
is under attack.
There's just like a bunch of nothing going on. Also, you should like leave an SCV to repair the bunker. Like, it's just a pretty chill mission. If I remember yet again correctly. Because I
Base
remember
is
the
under
train
attack.
mission being hard, but I did not expect it to be this hard, man.
SCV ready.
Yeah.
Base is under attack. Base
I know.
is under
Holy
attack.
shit, man! I'm gonna kill you if you say base is under
SCV
attack.
ready.
One more gosh darn time. I kinda just wanna go Mass Reaper, but at the same time, I need some units.
SCV ready.
So, I'm making some Marines.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Yeah, I also don't have gas, I guess.
Bad
that
news.
is-
Base is under attack.
Dude, I can't.
Base is under attack.
Yeah, I understand that, man.
You're the Reaper man. Who wants some?
He say you're the Reaper, man?
Stand, this better be
He
good.
did not just say that.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, the Reaper, man. Whoa. Oh.
Where's the hot
Chad. I got schematics to build them Hellions you saw in Marsara. Should be good down there.
Yeah, I don't think I'll build those guys.
Additional supply depots required.
What? Oh, cause they gave me the fucking Hellions, you sons of
Additional supply
bitches.
depots required.
Shut up. Shut up.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Sun's coming up. We gotta hold on a little longer.
Yeah, I mean, we're holding on just fine, man. I should have been building SCVs. Why did I stop that? That's pretty bad. It's okay. Not really, but like,
You want a
yes.
piece of me, boy?
No, what can you do about it?
SCV ready. Who wants some?
Okay.
Gateway. Coming.
Rise and shine, boys. Now it's our time to do some damage.
Sure. SCV ready.
Yep.
Got it. The Grim Reaper
Is that
has arrived.
some sort of
I mean-
nest? You better destroy it.
SCV ready. Go ahead.
Not enough minerals.
Should I? I mean, I
Not
guess I
enough
should
minerals.
probably. Dude,
Butter my biscuit.
dude. Thank you. I can't click the right buttons, man. I'm washed. Okay.
Who wants some? You want a piece of me, boy? You got it. Of course. Sure thing. SCV ready.
Looks like this area's secure. Keep it up, fellas.
Yeah.
We can stop this.
Keep it up, fellas.
Will do.
We're keeping it up, Mike. Stop, stop, stop. It's so weird not having to like build those guys. It's driving me mad.
We hear you.
Kinda just wanna like destroy this build.
What?
Yeah, let's get the open
Armed and
upgrades.
ready. You got
Now technically you're supposed to hotkey your army and not, because this just selects like every single combat unit and it's kind of dangerous, but like it's fine. Don't even sway, man.
My goose is getting cooked.
My
What's
goose
going
is
on?
getting
Bad
cooked.
news?
I think his goose is getting cooked.
You're the boss.
I don't like a
Will do.
one. I guess it's gonna be a tight
Nightfall
though.
in 30 seconds.
All right. This sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
The Grim
My
Reaper
man.
has arrived. By the numbers, boys. Of course.
Yeah,
Ooh, that sure pissed them off. Maybe we should wait for daylight.
yeah, we should.
You should set some guards. They'll be coming again soon.
Oh, really?
Scans are picking up a unique Zerg biosignature. It appears to be a burrowing creature that is underground during the day and emerges only at night.
Sir, if you kill one of those creatures, Stetman can study it and perhaps learn something.
Who wants some?
Let me just.
Go ahead. Will do. You gonna give me orders? Got something for me to
Add-on complete.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Fight
What's going on?
ready to fry. Say the word.
Additional supply
Oh my god,
depots
supply
required.
depots. Yeah. See, but I don't need to think that much about this mission. It's like one of those where it's like, pretty gosh darn
Upgrade
easy.
complete.
Standing
I say that and then I'm gonna lose it probably. It's like, I hope I don't lose this mission, man. I remember this mission being easy. I know they at some point they start coming through here. At some point they start sending
Base is
mutalisks.
under attack. Additional supply.
My goose is getting cooked.
Go ahead. What's
Just-
going on? I can't build here. Bad news. SCV ready.
Yeah. Fester and Fester.
Infested Marines? Oh, hell, Jimmy, I don't care for that notion one bit.
Fight fire with
You got my attention.
You got my attention.
You
Yeah, man.
rang. Need some triage? Is it critical?
What's it work?
I'm gonna stop building marines, I feel like. Should I? You know what, fuck it, I'll build some Hellions, whatever. I don't care.
What's going on?
Yeah, again, that might be pretty stupid though.
You scared me.
If only I remember from where the Mutalisks come
The Grim
from.
Reaper has arrived.
I don't remember though.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Yeah, let's build another
scared me.
racks.
SCV ready.
Add-on. Daybreak in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
My goose is getting cooked.
Base is under
SCV
attack.
ready.
Well, I mean,
Upgrade complete.
yeah, stop going in!
Do this. Smells
Stupid,
like
stupid,
victory.
nice person.
Fear the Reaper Man. SCV ready. The Grim Reaper has arrived. Yeah.
Don't forget, you have to be back by dark.
Armed and
Alright,
ready.
let's go.
What's going on? Go ahead.
Screw it, why not?
Add-on complete.
This better be good. That's fine. Sure.
Look at that, man. Look at the Reapers.
Good job, guys.
That's what I'm
This area's
saying.
secure.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Look at them. So good at destroying. They have a literally just anti-building attack,
Got it. That's fine.
which is what makes them like
Keep
so
your shirt on,
good.
Sparky.
I'm not detecting any more infested structures in that sector, Jim.
Nah. Of course. Yes, sir. Aye, sir. 10-4.
Stop.
You gonna give me orders? Got it. 10-4. Orders received.
All right, this sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. My boy.
I'm in a heap of trouble.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
Okay.
Go, go, go! The Grim Reaper has arrived. Can't wait.
Okay, I should start getting the hell out of here.
That's fine.
Because my Marines are, you know,
Aye, aye,
pretty
sir.
small.
Father,
Keep your eyes peeled. There's gonna be more of them out there.
Seriously, you sure like stirring up the hornet's nest.
the Grim Reaper has arrived. Oh yeah! Ready to raise some hell. Hell yeah! Pedal to the metal. This better be good. Go ahead. Gotcha. Big job, huh? Huh? Well, butter my biscuit. SCV ready. Yeah. Yeah, whatever.
Just build another sensor like here.
Gotcha. SCV ready. Big job.
Base is under attack.
Yeah,
SCV ready.
that's like the point of the whole game.
SCV ready.
Damn, that's a lot of like infested refugees. Dude, how many people lived here for them to be pumping out this many like festive guys? Should leave like some people here overnight, right? I'm gonna start pushing this way.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Go ahead.
Get more supply.
Big job,
More
huh?
supply.
Bad news.
I mean, look at all these
In the
supply
rear with the
depots,
Base
man.
is under attack.
Yeah, that's the point yet again.
Who wants some?
Base is under attack.
Yeah,
Ready to raise
I
some
know.
hell. Who wants some?
Oh shit.
What is that thing? Was it human?
Orders received.
Yo, are you too fat? Well, that's because you aren't, right?
Ready to raise some
Yeah.
hell.
Oh, Goliath, Stupidiath.
They've broken through the south barricade. Get some
shit.
troops down there now.
You know, I think I saw this in a movie once.
You think so?
Daybreak in 30 seconds. Base is under attack.
You've been waiting.
Our SCVs are under attack.
What?
Bad news. I'm in a heap of trouble.
Yeah.
By the numbers, boys.
Oh, hell yes. This is gonna be our time, all right?
Yeah, it's gonna be like pretty good time.
Armed and ready. This better be good. That's fine. I'm on it.
I'm gonna
Roger
try to
that.
clear out like
Aye,
most of the things down here. I know I didn't empty
Yes,
my
sir.
bunkers, but this way I have a more mobile army, I feel like.
This better be good. Go, go, go! Looking forward.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
All right, this sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now
Yeah.
move on to the next area.
Yeah, don't worry, buddy.
Armed and ready. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Gangway, coming through. This better be good. 10-4. Oh, yeah.
The Grim
Oh,
Reaper
yeah.
has arrived.
Now this is the Reaper mission, man. Look at how good they are destroying buildings. Like, it's just crazy.
I'm not detecting any more infested structures in that sector, Jim.
Affirmative. Oh, yeah. 10-4.
Looks like this area's secure. Keep it up, fellas. We can stop this.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
You gonna give me orders?
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
Yeah, I see that, man.
I'm on it. Oh, yeah. Outstanding. I feel you. Fine.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
You should set some guards. They'll be coming again soon.
That's fine.
Yo.
Gangway.
Okay,
coming
fine. I'll go
through. Why
back.
not?
Go back. I'll go back.
Sure thing. Aye, aye, sir.
My goose is getting cooked.
Gangway, coming through. Why not?
Go ahead, TACCOM. Systems functional.
I'm in a world of hurt. Is that it? You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. Got it. This better be good. By the numbers, boys.
Base is under attack.
Yes, sir.
Base is under attack.
Go ahead. Ah! What's going on?
Yo! Wait, look at
Yeah.
this. I'm starting to use my brain. You put the supply depot here and then they for sure cannot get in,
Mineral
right?
field depleted.
No one can get in, no one can get out. But I can lower it if I
Base
want
is
to,
under attack.
which is like the coolest thing. Right? Nice.
Huh?
Look at
What's going
that,
on?
man. Nice. Oh wait, they can still.
Mineral field depleted.
That's not like supposed
What's
to be.
going on?
Base is under attack.
Well, whatever. It's still better than nothing now.
Mineral field depleted.
Oh wow. Wait, I have so many minerals.
Mineral
What the
field
hell?
depleted.
Yeah, whatever.
Base
Yeah,
is
sure.
under attack.
Yes.
Gotcha.
I mean, I'm pretty much winning here. Right, because all it's there's left is that like that one
Base
section.
is
Yo,
under
guys,
attack.
stop!
That's all. Ready to
You
raid.
go in there.
Vespine geyser exhausted.
Okay,
Grim Reaper
so
has arrived.
there and there.
Daybreak in 30 seconds.
My army clears out like this, and then there's only like a little bit of buildings
Base
left.
is under attack.
That's the plan at least.
Ah! You
Yo.
scared me. What's going on?
Yo. Fuck, man.
Okay. Let's find some infested areas to clear.
Oh.
Time's wasting.
Oh.
Armed
Okay,
and ready.
let's go.
Will do.
Mineral field depleted.
Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
Mineral field depleted.
Of course. By the numbers, boys. Been waiting on you. Outstanding. Looking forward to it. Can't wait. That's fine.
I'm in a heap of trouble.
This better be good. I'm on it.
All right. This sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Yeah.
Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Will do.
You're almost done. There's just a handful of infested biosigns left. I'll highlight their locations on your map.
Sure.
Yeah. Like very easy, very relaxing mission. Not like that one train mission. These guys cannot get up. Like that train mission, man. I'll do that in a later episode. That's just hell on
Nightfall in
earth.
30 seconds.
This is like the preview for that mission. Oof.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for this?
Okay, you guys stay here.
You
You
gonna give me
guys
orders?
go like over here. If
Outstanding.
I remember correctly, that's where like the things are.
I'm waiting
Like
on
somewhere
you.
over here, right?
Those creeps are gonna be coming out of the woodwork any minute now.
Oh, it's like down
We
there.
better get back to the base.
Oh, it's
Hell
just
yeah.
that? Really?
Been waiting
Dude,
on
I've
you.
killed those guys on
By
the planet. Oh my god.
Who
Whatever.
wants some?
This I mean,
I'm in a heap of
this
trouble.
mission is just
Go.
it's just a mission.
I'm in a heap of trouble.
That's all I can say.
Orders received.
It's just a mission.
Can't
Nice.
wait.
Yup.
You
That's
did
pretty
it,
good.
Jim. I knew you wouldn't let us down.
Yeah, man.
Now I've got to get my people somewhere safe.
I would never let
Ain't
you
gonna be
down.
so easy, darling. This whole
Ugh.
sector's crawling with Zerg.
There's gotta be somewhere out there the aliens haven't touched. Some undiscovered paradise waiting just for us.
Sure. Undiscovered paradise. Okay, man. Whatever you say. What? Oh, before the fifth night? Night time? I mean, I don't know. Okay, whatever. That's. I'm not gonna do another mission. After that train mission, that messed me up, man. Okay, I'll see what missions there are, but
Well, Ariel?
yeah, I don't care. Aereo.
Mobius wants
I
us
might
to go.
do that mission before the train mission, man, because I really hate the train mission. I hate the train mission. Okay, let's watch the TV.
Thanks for joining us. Our own Kate Lockwell is reporting live from the refugee ship Skinnerd 2 in orbit around the planet Meinhof.
Donnie, the death toll out here is soaring. Massive refugee fleets like this one are struggling to reach the safety of the core worlds. Many of them won't. They're short on food, water, and
Kate
hope.
will discuss how the Dominion will rescue those worlds when we get there.
There's a lot of talk about rescue among the refugees, but they're pinning their hopes on paramilitary and rebel groups such as Rainer's
Great report, Kate. Live from a refugee ship over Meinhof, where everyone eagerly awaits the Dominion's return. Up
That's
next,
right.
a Vermilion commentary. Refugees. Are they really our responsibility?
You're all heart, Donnie.
Refugees are really our responsibility. I like that guy. I like that. I like that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna look at the upgrades like the next time, right? Look at this guy. Where is he going? Where is he going? What is he doing? Okay, that's it, guys. That's it for today. See ya in the next one. Bye bye.
See you in the next one. 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 See you in the next one.